I got these cheddar blast Pirates booties. These ones. And they're like almost too cheesy. I need to start. Today we're making Funfetti Oreo Blondies. Last week I made brownies. This week we're making Blondies. I really do like chocolate, but I think I like vanilla. Teeny weeny bit more. Step 1, preheat your oven to 350. Step 2, melt butter and white chocolate. I have to use this teeny bowl, but use a bigger bowl. Butter, white chocolate. We're gonna melt this in the microwave in 15-second intervals. Use a bigger bowl. This is all I have. There are a lot of white chocolate haters, let me say. But I come from a family who loves white chocolate. Whatever, it's fake chocolate, not really chocolate. I don't know how I'm gonna survive this, but I have a question to ask you on camera.
Okay.
How much do you hate white chocolate?
A lot. I wouldn't even eat it.
See,
Who
I'm
likes
telling
white
you,
chocolate? It's not chocolate.
it doesn't.
It's animal
I
fat.
hate when people say that. I still think you might like this recipe because you.
Just because you said that, I'm not gonna be able to like it.
I think people who don't like white chocolate will still like this because you melt the white chocolate into the batter so you don't get like giant white chocolate chunks. We're gonna set this aside. Start the batter. Eggs, white sugar, brown sugar, whisk it real good. Almost forgot a little vanilla. Now that this is cooled down, we can add in the chocolate, flour, some salt, and sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Do you bake with sprinkles?
Yeah, you make it funfetti.
You having fun or what?
Yummy.
Does anyone actually like funfetti?
Yes, lots of people.
What are these cookies? Like sugar cookies?
They're blondies.
I'm
Okay.
a blondie.
8x8. Okay, I have an 8x8 pan, parchment paper. So I'm gonna take half of this batter.
What are you gonna do with the other half?
I'll show you. I had to Uber Eats all my groceries, and it was a fancy grocery store, so they didn't have golden Oreos, so I got these, these are $9.
Catalina
Crunch, whatever.
You're like,
So-
how could I make this worse?
So-
Off-brand golden Oreos.
They're delicious. We're gonna do a layer of golden Oreos on one side and chocolate on the other for you, honey.
So I'll just pick around
Yes,
everything.
Take our vanilla. One side is vanilla, and this will be the other side. These are actually Whole Foods brand Oreos that I had. Taking our other half. These are going into a 350-degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes. Fresh out of the oven. It's the next day. Let's cut open these bars. They smell so good. So we have our chocolate Oreo ones and our vanilla, are they called vanilla Oreos? Golden Oreos. They're really good.